Little girl. Where's that little girl? Is she playing peekaboo? Where is Rachel? Oh, she's got her flower.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see you. Stand up all by yourself. Wow. Oh, get on your butt.
You playing with your flower girl? There you are.
24
Hi.
Friday.
You bringing that over to your doggy? Yeah? You bringing that over for the doggy to play with too? Stu's sharing with you. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? You two play good together. Did he take your flower from you? Oh my goodness. What's he doing?
Stu, give it back.
Hey.
He take your flower? There it is. Come on out here, check him. Your daddy's got the flower now. There's your flower. I bet you're gonna go give it to your dog anyway. Yeah? Good, yeah. Yeah, you're getting, looking for Stewie. Hi, Smiley. Yeah. She's looking for her Stewie. Go check him out. Getting a little tired? Yeah? Oh. Oh, the military base. Let's go around here, see what's going on over here. Oh, I see. You're coming to Stewie, are you? You gonna give it to the doggy? Yeah? There he is.